So if you ask me, the spot is worth coming. It is around 80 kilometers from Bangalore and it's really worth coming. We spent around a very good 45 minutes here. Ayyo. So we are going to climb down. I'm not going to bug you guys with all the video. Bro, tell them to take this way, okay? Ah, cool. Because we got stuck here and then we made that mud. We broke that mud actually. Have a safe journey, bro. Bro, can you park the bike a little bit side? No worries, bro. No worries. Going up this stretch is pretty tough. The current one, you have to make sure because we were only two people. We were the first to go up actually with the bikes. So we went up. This stretch is pretty bad. After that, we have some normal roads coming, and then again you'll have like gaps in between the roads. So you have to maneuver properly because these muds are skidding the bike, like it's turning the bike.
So here, this is always very bad.
Trust me.
I think I took a tumble here.
Huh? I actually had my engine get caught in one of the stone. Then we went this side. There was a big mud here. We broke that mud actually, and then made it flat. That's what I was telling your friend. Tell them to take it that way. It's easy now.
I think KTM is more easy to navigate than any of their bikes.
No, actually, to be very... Sorry?
This is the only way to
Only way, bro. Actually, KTM, all the KTMs are standing here. Did you see any KTMs here when you came?
No.
There were 4 KTMs which are not able to climb. This is the first KTM which went for the day today.
All of them are 390.
All 390, they parked the vehicle here, and Himalayan also didn't go. They parked it here, they came all the way walking.
It's a little bit tough. So that you can manage. While getting down, it's difficult.
Yeah.
You can climb up. It's difficult for me.
If you can stand and balance your handle and then climb with first gear, you can easily go.
You can't brake in the middle. You have to go with the momentum. See my hand.
But you need to break the momentum once you get down.
Ah,
That's the difficult
That
part.
is the difficult part.
You know, this path now, it comes down and again it's going down. You can't turn in that momentum. You have somebody to stand and assist you.
Yeah.
hey, there's a big group here. Triumph group has come, right? It's you and me only who struggle.
No, actually, I'm not like that.
But you guys would be experienced. We are all still first timers.
No, even I am a first timer.
Oh, okay.
I have done few. I've done in Wayanad and all.
Wayanad also has similar trail.
Wayanad, I went to this Meppad East Trail. That's during raining, monsoon event. So many times I've fallen down.
Monsoon rides, falling is a common thing in monsoon.
Exactly. But that's the best part in going to Kerala. Monsoon is the time. Chalo, have a safe ride, guys, then. See you. Bye bye. So that's it. We are out of the small village, and then we are going to touch base right now, the bypass. So it'll take, I think now, because we are going in the peak hours, I think it's a Sunday, there'll be a lot of rush. Morning it was easy to come. It just took about 1 hour 25 minutes for me to come here. But now I think because we are going to enter the Bangalore city, we are going to take a long time, guys, to reach home. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. It may be a very long video, but trust me, it is worth the watch, guys. So please do watch it till the end. And if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell button so that you get regular notification. There's a lot of plans of going to such kind of off-roadings, so your support is much needed, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's goodbye from your Bharat, your Dragon, and see you, tata, bye bye, and sayonara.